Friday, September 1st, 2023, 10:07 a.m. So we did get into one trade earlier last night at 6:51 p.m. and 6:52. We bought one at 45.18 and a quarter, one at 45.18 and a quarter, and we sold it at 45.20. It was actually an accidental trade, and we just got out of it and we just took profit. But we haven't done anything since then. The market hit a high of 47 and 3/4, a low of 13 and a half. Here is the daily chart right here. Okay, so we see we're trying to sit above that final moving average. The 1 hour also looks similar, but it does look like there's a lot of resistance up there. We'll have to see. 15 minute. Okay, 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay, let's look at the 2 minute. Okay, 3 minute, 10 minute. Okay, that's what the market looks like. So let's see what opportunity we have right here. Trying to see if we could break out of the 45.37 or the other way to the 45.30. Okay, I think we'll go short. We just shorted one at 45.34. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 10:09 a.m. Short one more at 45.35 and 3/4, Friday, September 1st, 2023. Trying to short one final one, which we just did at 45.37 and 3/4, 10:10 a.m., Friday, September 1st, 2023. First trading day of the month. Okay, let's see. Look at the 5-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Half-hour chart again. 1 hour chart. And then the 1-minute chart. Okay. Let's put in our stop for the 3. Put it in at 49 and a half actually. Put in our stop at 49 and a half. Alright, let's see what happens. Alrighty, Friday, September 1st, 2023, 10:21 a.m. We are short. Our average cost is about 45.35 and 3/4. Let's look at some charts so we can see what happened before. We went long right here, and then we got right out right there. We made about $200, I guess, on that trade, and then we did nothing just the whole night. We saw a little sell-off and a rally all the way up, boom, pop, and then we went short right there. You see the 1, 2, 3. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. That's what that looks like. So you see the shorts right there. All right, let's see what happens. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023. Finally, looks like our comeback day. Okay, after the last few days, last week was a little bit challenging. So, we are short the market right now. We went to our 34 at 35 3/4 and a 37 3/4 at about 10:09 and 10:10 a.m. this morning. It's 11:21 this morning, Friday, September 1st, 2023. So, here's what it looks like on the chart. Okay, we had that top we built, went down, started to slowly crawl up to the top. We went short, and then boom, the market fell out of bed. Now, the only thing here, let's look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, the only thing here is that we do want to see it break down here and stay under this green line. So very critical that we stay under these green and yellow lines and that we break down here. So we're watching it very closely to see whether or not we take some profit here and see if we do anything else today. So our stop is all the way up there where you see the 3. Our stop is at 40, where is it? Oh yeah, it's all the way up there. It's at 45.49 and a half. So we may lower it now to, let's see that level, 1 second. I mean, we were potentially gonna lower it to here, but we do need to see a further breakdown. So let's see what we'll do here. Okay, I think we'll lower our stop to lower it to 25 and a half. Okay, that's where we locked in some nice profit. Yeah, and if it's going, let it go. But if it stops going, we want to get out. So if the market continues to sell off, we want to be in on that as much as possible up until we hit the 4,500 or so target on the day. But if the market starts to reverse back and go back into this trading range, then we want to also be out on it. But so far it's looking good. We're right now we are flirting with all of the moving averages. Well, not all, I should say, but the green, the yellow, the blue, the pink, it's sort of sitting on it, sort of trying to see if it's going to go under it. Yeah, we may just get out. Let's see. We do need it to break down soon, or else we may want to just take profit. Okay, let's see 21 1/4 trades, 21 3/4 trades, 22 trades. Okay, we do need it to break down soon, or else we may want to get out of the short and then see about reshorting later or going long. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to see about bottoming here. All right, we're gonna take our profits. Boom, we're out. Okay, so we canceled all our trades, all our orders. We just got out at 45.22 and a half. Okay, nice little profit there in a little over an hour and maybe, 20 minutes, give or take. So very nice. You see the green, you see the blue right there where we got out. You see the red where we went short. So let's take away these orders for now, and let's see what we do next. I mean, there's definitely going to be more opportunities today, we believe, but the question is, will it be to the long side, or to the short side? So let's get rid of the order. Okay, there you go. So you see, okay, it's kind of like indecisive. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see where the next opportunity arises. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 11:27 a.m. We're back. So, let's look at the Dow. Okay, let's look at the Dow here. And you see the Dow failing, going under all of the moving averages, including the red. Let's look at the hourly chart for the Dow. Breaking down under all those moving averages except the red. Okay, let's look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ sitting right on the support line on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the S&P. And the S&P is also sitting on the support line right there. The Russell. Oh, Russell's actually strong today. Look at that. The Russell is really nice. Look at that. Tale of two different stories. The Russell's actually looks like maybe some small cap buying. Look at that, really nice long. I mean, I wouldn't go short the Russell here. I would have. The play today was to go long at 1909 and change, and look at that, straight up. So that's why you got to look at different markets and see what to do. But the S&P right now, we're going to be looking for more opportunities. Yeah, so our phone went off for a second. So it's Friday, September 1st, 2023, 11:29 a.m. So that's the story. So the Dow is up on the session. The futures are up 29, NASDAQ down 33, S&P up about 2 or 2.5, Russell's up about 25. So, yeah, I mean, we could potentially go short again here, but we do want to see us breaking that support resistance line. Let's look at the daily chart. Okay. So let's look at the 1 minute chart again. I don't know. I mean, it does look like potentially we might have an opportunity to actually see a bounce if we don't break that support on the 1 hour. Okay, you know what I think we're gonna do actually? It's a little cray-cray, but we'll do it. We'll buy one. We just bought one at 45.20. It's 11:30 a.m. Friday, September 1st, 2023. And we'll buy one more. Okay, we just bought one more at 45.18 3/4. We're buying a third one. At 45.17 3/4. So we bought one at 45.20, one at 45.18 3/4, one at 45.17 3/4. It's Friday, September 1st, 2023, 11:30 a.m. So our average comes out to about 45.18 3/4. Okay, I mean the market is right now. I mean, it is under the moving averages on the 1 minute, but you see the support, very heavy support here. That support is what we're trying to see, you know, if we can bank on that or not. Okay, the daily sitting right on that top moving average. 15 minute. Okay, 5 minute. Okay, let's see. So we have that 45.16 level, and we have that low 45.13 3/4. So let's see where we put in our stop for all three. Put in our stop at, oops, we went a little too far. Put in our stop right there at the low. We can actually get this to work. Okay, we'll put in our stop right there at the 13 level. Okay, so we have a stop at 45.13. Let's see what happens. Hey, it is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 11:45 a.m. So we just got stopped out at 45.13. Market is breaking down here. So our short would have been good to just sit with that short, but again, it was bouncing above, crawling above, and we did see that support on the 1 hour, but it's still sitting on that support. But this is interesting because we may actually go and buy some more here. We just bought 2. Okay, we just bought 2. And we bought 3. So first of all, we got out of our long and we got out at 45.13. Took a small loss there. Now we just bought 3 at 45.12 and a quarter and 45.12 and a half. It's 11:46 a.m. So let's look at the chart here. Let's put in our stop. This market can be tricky, you see. Let's see, where do we put in our stop? It's sitting right on the support resistance line, so we could break down, but we will have to see. So we got short at 12 and a quarter. Burn our stop at, let's look at the daily chart again. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let's look at the 30-minute. At the 15-minute, 5-minute, and the 1 minute. Alright, let's put in our stop at 45. $45.05 and a half will be our stop. But this market's still looking weak, so we may just let's see. Should have just probably stayed short. Yep, but we'll see. Yeah, still looking weak. The only thing really that printing the lows. The thing that's encouraging is the fact that it's sitting on the support resistance line on the hourly. So we may get a bounce there. It's also 11:40. A lot of times this time of day tends to have reversals. So we're just gonna look. We have our stop at 45.05 and a half. We're just gonna sit. Let's see what happens for now. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 11:51 a.m. So let's look. Right now the market's at 45.09 and a half. We did just print a low at 45.07 and a quarter. Now we're bouncing above that a little bit. Let's look at our orders. Let's put them all in here. Okay, and there you go. So initially we had that overnight thing we did here, went long, went right out. Okay, then we went short, and then we rode the market down. Okay, we got out of the 3 there. Then we tried to go long, got out of the long, and kept going down. We went long again, right? Just now. Where did we go? Okay, and now we're sitting with that position here, and we have our stop right there. So let's see what happens. We're at 45.09 and a quarter. Right. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 12:39 p.m. So we see that the market did scrape the 45.07 and a quarter, hit 7 there, and then bounced back up. So our long has worked out so far, but it looks like the market's heading back down again. Right there, you see it. So we're gonna get out, and we're gonna go short 3. Okay, we just shorted 3, so we got out of 3, 12:39 p.m. Something's wrong with this. Oh yeah, so 12:39 p.m. Okay, we got out of the 3 at 45.13 and 3/4, and we went short 3 at 45.13 and 3/4. Okay, and you see exactly why. You see the market rallied a little, and now it's falling apart again, it looks like. So we're gonna put in our stop. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. We'll put in our stop. Let's do 21 and a half. Okay, there we go. And let's see what happens. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023. It is 2:44 p.m. So right now we got the low of 45.07 1/4. We have that high of 45.47 3/4. Let's look at the hourly chart. Actually, let's take off our orders so you can see what's going on. Okay. So we see that. Okay. Actually, let's look at the hourly for the Dow as well. Okay, let's look at the hourly for the NASDAQ as well. Okay, sitting right at that support level. Okay, so we are short right now. Here's our S&P. All right, let's see what happens. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 2:52 p.m. Here you got the 1 minute. Let's look at the hourly chart. Okay, holding that support so far. Let's look at the 30-minute. Let's look at the 15-minute. Five-minute. 1 minute. Okay. We're going to get out of our short right here. Actually, yeah, we will. Let's look at the NASDAQ meanwhile while we're waiting. Ooh. Okay, let's look at the Dow. Let's look at the S&P again. Russell. Russell actually got weaker, went sideways after. Okay, so the S&P. We're actually going to cancel. Yeah, we just cancel that order. Let's see. We're about to get out, but let's see right here what we're going to do. Let's look at the 5-minute again. Again, this is live trading, so see it as it's happening. The 1 minute again. Dow again. The NASDAQ. Look at the hourly for them. Let's look at the Dow hourly. S&P hourly. Russell hourly. Okay, we're just gonna stay put for now. Leave our stop in. Got our stop right there. Oops. S&P. There's our stop. Alright, let's see what happens. Lady, Friday, September 1st, 2023, 3:31 p.m. We were just stopped out at 45.21 and a half. Let's look at what the S&P hourly chart looks like. Okay, there we go. We found some support on the support resistance lines. Okay, very interestingly, right on this 1 hour. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're going to actually go long here. Okay. Just bought 2. We just bought 1 at 45.21 and a half, 1 at 45.21 and a quarter. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023, 3:32 p.m. We have our third order sitting there. Just moved it to 21 and a half. Not getting filled yet. Move to 21 3/4. Still not getting filled. All right. Okay, we just got filled. So we bought 1 at 21 and a half, 21 and a quarter, and 21 3/4. That last trade we did at 3:33 p.m. Friday, September 1st, 2023. Let's put in our stop for all 3 contracts. Okay. Put it in at 45. Whoops. We just got out by accident. We just sold it at 21 3/4. Let's get back in. Okay, we just bought it again at 45.21 and a half. Like I said, this is real. You know, we're actually putting in trades, the good, the bad, the ugly. Sometimes we mess up. We're trying to put in our stop and instead we got out. Okay, let's put it in at 15 3/4 actually. Okay, so our stop's in right there. We are long now, and let's see what happens. It is Friday, September 1st, 2023. So the market looks like it's selling off again. We're gonna get out of this position, and we're gonna go short. Okay, so we just got out. We sold 3 at 45.18 and a quarter. At 3:46 p.m. and we just went short 3 at 45.18 and a quarter. So a little bit of an interesting day. Now let's see what happens. Alrighty, it's Friday, September 1st, 2023, 3:51 p.m. I just realized we're actually short 9. I don't even know how that happened. I guess an oversight. I was multitasking today, moving around. So, okay, so let's see where we went wrong. We bought 3 there at 3:34 p.m. We got out of that 3 at 3:46. Then we shorted 3. Then we shorted another 3. Then we shorted another 3. So we went short 3 at 45.18 and a quarter. We shorted 3 at 45.18 and a quarter, and we shorted another 3 at 45. Okay, so that's the story. So we are actually short 9 right now, which was not our intention. So yeah, but like I said, we keep it real. The good, the bad, the ugly. All right, so we are short 3 now. I'm sorry, we are short 9 now. Let's cancel any stops we may have, and let's see what we're gonna do here. So yeah, very interesting day. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do here. So yeah, this is a pretty we do need a little bit of a sell-off here. This might be a good opportunity if it sells off, but if not, we're in a big position and wasn't our intention. So let's see if we get a little bit of a self into the close or not. Let's put in our stop. 18, 19. Let's see. Maybe we'll put in our stop at. We'll put it in at 24 and a half. Alright, it is Friday, September 1st, 2023. Let's cancel our orders. The market's about to close. What can I say? Today was an interesting day. We just canceled our stop. We may be thrown out of the market here. We're going to see what's happening. Let's go short some more. I guess we might as well. We didn't mean to break the rule today, so let's see if we get a little bit of a pullback into the close, and we can try to salvage the day. Okay, we're short 11, short 12. Let's cancel that. Let's see if we get a little bit of a sell-off so we can salvage this. If not, we may have to reset our account. Let's see what happens here. This is unintentional, but we figured we might as well just do whatever and see. Okay, there we go. See if we get a little bit of a sell-off here. Just need a little bit of a sell-off because we are leveraged high, and hopefully we can salvage this day. And if not, we're gonna have to start from scratch next week. Strategic move, because at the end of the day, that's the point of trading in a combine. This way you can get things together, avoid things like this in the future. So, but yeah, this market is popping here. We will see what happens. Shorted one more. Two more. It is Friday, September 1st, 3:57 p.m. Really looking, basically either we get stopped out and we're done for today, and then we'll see what we do next week. Just continue or reset, or we get a little bit of a sell-off into the close, and then we can salvage the day. So we are short 15 maximum amount. Not something I'd recommend. What's happening today. Gotta be careful when you're trading on the move, which is happening today. It was moving all day, running around. So, okay, there we go. Maybe we're getting that sell-off finally. Let's see. 3 minutes to the New York Stock Exchange close, and then we have 10 minutes to get out. Quarters is traded. $22.75 again. Need a little bit of a breakdown. It's $7.50 a point. So every point we move down is $150. So this is a big risk. Again, we need to avoid this in the future. If this would have been a live account, we probably would have traded this differently, and that's probably what we should have done today, but what can I do? It is what it is. When you have an error and you lose some money, you get out, you don't quite let it become worse. But since we are on the combine, and this is the first day, so I figure we'll do this today. But yeah, come next week and come in the future trades, we gotta be very careful with that. We need that break on that 22.75. Come on, market, you can do it. Yes, you can. Okay, 22.75 is trading. We did have a print at 22.5. We have a minute to go. Just under. There we go. 22.5 is printing again. 22.25 printed. 22 prints. 21 prints. 21 and a half, I should say. Okay, market's about to close. Our break even is 20 and a quarter on this big position here. So let's see, maybe put in some orders. Okay. Alright. Oh, we are green, finally. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the market is cray. Let's put in some more orders. Okay, market just closed. 4 p.m. New York time. We are down about 1,400, 1,500, 1,600. We have a bunch of orders down there. See if we get that sell-off. Not even a sell-off, just a few points down is all we need. Okay, we're at 21 and a quarter. We'll just close everything for now. Let's see what happens. We have about 10 minutes to get out. 21 and a half just trades. 20 and a quarter trades. We got volume, huh? For that close. Okay. 20 and a quarter trades. 20 and a half trades. 20 and a quarter trades. We keep it real, so like today is not a model day at all. Even if we salvage this and we go and we're up, 2, 3, 4, whatever, 1,000 even, because that can happen if this market collapses. This is not the way we trade, and this is not a day that we are proud of. We made a mistake today. We should have just gone out, but whatever it is what it is. But going forward, we're looking to avoid this, and definitely this is not something you should try to model. But we keep it real, so we are showing you exactly our trades as much as possible, and we are recording this live, so you see exactly what we do, our mistakes, the things we can grow from, learn from together, things we can avoid for the future, especially when we go live, especially when we get funded and we go live. So yeah, that's what it is, but we are keeping it real. So this is our story. So we have about 9 minutes to get out. Looking for that sell-off, cancel all the orders, all the stops. Again, it's not the model weighted trade, but yeah, I guess a lot of things going wrong today. So we start fresh next week after the weekend, Labor Day weekend. Okay, 20 and a quarter is our average. We're at 21 and a half, 21 and 3 quarters, 21 and 3 quarters, 21 and a half. Let's see what the Dow is doing. Nice NASDAQ. Okay, S&P. Now let's look at the Russell. Alright, back to the S&P. 8 minutes to go. 20 and a quarter trades. I mean, literally, if this moves down, 5-6 points, which is totally possible, we would be really good. So let's see. And of course, if it goes up against us, then we hit the $3,000 limit, and that's not good. So that's why we don't normally look to do this. We got into this mess today, seeing if we can get out of it. But again, this isn't the best way to do this. So definitely, whatever happens, do not model this. I mean, this is not the way. This is not a model day at all. This is just more entertainment today. So this is not an educational day at all. So, I mean, it could be educational, absolutely, to avoid things like this going forward, because this might work once, but over time, it's not a strategy that will not work. So, all right. Anyways, we have 7 minutes to go to get out of this trade. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 45, 21 and a quarter trades. 21 and a quarter trades. We have that 47 and 3 quarters high. 7 and a quarter low, 45, 21 and a half, 21 and a quarter, 21 and a half trades, just 1 point away from breaking even. half. $21 1/4. Okay, 21. $21 1/4. Could turn this off, but I figure this is pretty exciting to see what happens, how this ends up. If we end up breaking even, if we end up doing well, even though we messed up royally, or if we end up actually the other way. So this is totally entertainment today, and I guess educational too, to avoid this in the future. To be more careful when you're on the move, to make sure that you review your orders properly, no matter how this works out. Ignore how it works out, you know. Focus more on the fact that you gotta be careful. You can take a good day and mess it up, like we kinda did, so we definitely wanna be careful. We'll see if we salvage it now, but overall, the lessons are important. Okay, 20 3/4 just printed. Got about 4 minutes left. We're getting really close. Will we get that sell-off in 4 minutes? Let's see, 20 1/2 prints. Okay. We were up nicely most of the day today, so this is a little bit annoying, but let's see if we salvage this or not. 20 1/2 is printing. 20 1/2 is printing, 20 3/4. Half, 3/4, half, 3/4, half, 3/4, almost. 21 again. $21 1/4. About 3 minutes to go. Chart looks like 21 1/4. First trading day of September, right before this long weekend, Labor Day weekend. Okay, 21 trades, 2 minutes to go. 21 trades, 21 trades, 21 trades. Did I ever print a 20 3/4? Bunch trading at 20 3/4. Again, we keep it real. Record it. We don't edit things out usually, so you know, like even yesterday we couldn't even fit it on one clip, so we had to re-edit it. You know, like basically put it all together. It was like over 2 something hours, and I think the most is 90 minutes on our phone, so we had to go and use some software, but we tried to put everything on there. So as much as we can, we try to keep it real, kind of try to keep it, you know, keep it in a way that you can see everything, and see and learn and study what you want and grow from it. Celebrate our wins and, you know, learn from our losses as they come. And hopefully try to focus a lot more on having bigger wins than losses. Okay, so 20 3/4 is trading. 21 1/4 trades. Okay, we are out. We're out of 15 at, let's cancel all our orders, make sure nothing's sitting there. We are out at 15 at 21 1/4. So yeah, today was annoying a little bit. We are down $925 without commissions. So after commissions, we might be down a little over 1,000. So really annoying day today. Really important lesson to be very mindful and careful. And yes, you can trade on the go, you can do whatever you want, but oh my gosh, look how many contracts. But you definitely want to be careful. So today could have been a really nice day, and we ended up having it a losing day. We will work hard to make it up after the weekend, but really annoying day, and very important to be careful of those trades. All right, enjoy. Happy Labor Day weekend. Shabbat Shalom to whoever celebrates, and all the best to you guys. And that's the story. See you guys after the holiday weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.